Here you go. After 1 year something, the Java is ready. How you see from previous episode, when the motorbike arrived, been in very bad condition, also been in different color, not original. So it take me around 1 year, but I just work on the bike time to time, like Sundays only. Engine is fully bullet now, new paint, still need some attachment here and there, but let's say on 90% is ready. Very iconic bike for the back in the days. Even today they very wanted, because this is 350 twin head, 2 cylinders, very reliable, very good bike. The paint is signal red, I really like it. So I will show you how we start. I install magnetic ignition now, so you don't need battery. Let's see. Need polishing now on the aluminum cases, and job done. Probably new cables. But that's most now. Job done.